Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency using MetaMask. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app installed and set up. You'll find the Buy button directly within your wallet interface. This process allows you to fund your wallet with various cryptocurrencies using fiat money. We'll cover selecting providers and confirming your purchase, making it straightforward to get started with your digital assets. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the Buy button. This will often redirect you to the MetaMask portfolio page. Next, you'll need to select your region, the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, and the network it resides on, such as Ethereum. Finally, you'll choose from a list of third-party providers that facilitate these transactions. After selecting your desired crypto and network, you'll see various providers offering quotes. It's wise to compare their fees and rates to find the best option. Then, input the amount of fiat currency, like $100, you intend to spend. You can use payment methods such as a debit card, credit card, bank account, or even PayPal, depending on your region and the provider. Once you've chosen a provider and entered your payment details, you'll be redirected to the provider's portal to finalize the purchase. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount and any associated fees, before confirming. After successful completion, your newly acquired cryptocurrency will be deposited directly into your MetaMask wallet. Transaction times can vary, sometimes taking a few seconds or longer depending on network activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.